What's going on, everyone? Welcome back to Travel Journey TV. Today, we're diving into the mesmerizing volcanic island of Santorini, nestled in the heart of the Greek islands. In this comprehensive guide, we'll explore a myriad of activities and attractions that you should consider while visiting one of the world's most iconic islands. Red Sand Beach. Our journey begins at the striking Red Sand Beach. Santorini is renowned for its unique beaches, and this one stands out with its crimson-hued sands. Although the island is famed for its black and white sand beaches, the Red Sand Beach offers a distinctive experience. Here, the water is often clear and calm, making for a soothing swim. Despite occasional stronger waves, the gentle environment usually prevails. The beach is equipped with umbrellas and lounge chairs for a comfortable day in the sun. White Sand Beach. Adjacent to the Red Sand Beach is the beautiful White Sand Beach is adjacent to Red Sand Beach. This beach features a stark contrast with its pristine white sands, created by caliche deposits. Reaching the White Sand Beach is best accomplished via a boat tour, unlike the Red Sand Beach, which is accessible by foot. Boat tours not only transport you to this tranquil spot, but they also include a visit to Black Sand Beach. Black Sand Beach. Speaking of Black Sand Beach, also known as Mesa Pagoda Beach, this location offers a different kind of charm. You can reach this beach by driving with a bit of a hike or, more conveniently, by taking a boat tour that includes stops at the Red Sand and White Sand beaches. This tour provides an excellent opportunity to experience the island's diverse beaches without the hassle of individual travel arrangements. Aquatic activities. For those interested in aquatic adventures, Santorini's boat tours are a wonderful option. Whether you're swimming or exploring, being on the water offers a unique perspective of the island. Consider a boat tour to fully appreciate the island's coastal beauty. Caldera Views. Santorini's Caldera Views are nothing short of spectacular. The Caldera View Bar, located next to the Caldera View Resort, provides an excellent vantage point. Early morning visits offer tranquility, but for the iconic Santorini sunset, the area is bustling with visitors. To find this spot, head to the southwest side of the island. Oya. Next, let's explore Oya, a charming village on the northwest side of Santorini. Known for its stunning sunsets and picturesque blue-roofed white churches, Oya is a prime destination for capturing the island's iconic views. The village is perched on a mountainside, offering breathtaking vistas and a variety of restaurants and cafes. While exploring, you can visit the marina at the village's base, though descending is difficult. The summer heat can be intense, so choose accommodations with shade and plan activities to break up your time here. Rent a car. To fully explore Santorini, consider renting a car. This option allows you to navigate the island at your own pace, providing flexibility beyond the constraints of bus schedules or organized tours. Car rentals range in price, so check for options that suit your budget. Rent a moped or ATV. For a more affordable and nimble mode of transportation, renting a moped is a beneficial choice. Mopeds are ideal for navigating congested areas. Alternatively, an ATV offers off-road capabilities, though it's essential to confirm with the rental company about off-road usage. Kamari Beach. Kamari Beach is a prominent beach area with extensive infrastructure, including hotels and restaurants. It's a wonderful spot to stay for a day or two, especially given its proximity to the airport. Kamari Beach and Parissa Beach are both excellent options for beachgoers, but Kamari offers more amenities. The road to ancient Thea. A visit to ancient Thea is a must. The road leading to this ancient site provides dramatic views as it winds up the hill. Although a hike is possible, driving is often more convenient. The site offers a glimpse into Santorini's ancient past. Take a cruise. Experiencing Santorini from the water is a highlight. Whether opting for a sunset cruise, a catamaran tour, or a local fishing boat experience, there are plenty of ways to enjoy the Mediterranean waters. Various water taxis and boat rentals, such as jet skis and kayaks, also provide exciting options for exploration. Thea, the island's bustling capital, is the place to be for nightlife and shopping. With luxury boutiques, vibrant bars, and a central location above the caldera, Thea offers a lively atmosphere. The town's cable car provides an easy way up from the port, and the views are spectacular, particularly at sunset. Santorini's nightlife. While Santorini is known more for its romantic atmosphere than its party scene, you can still enjoy some nightlife, especially in Thea. For a more vibrant experience, consider visiting Kamari or Parissa. Island hopping in Santorini serves as a wonderful base for exploring nearby islands. A ferry ride to islands like Mykonos or Naxos can make for an exciting day trip. Don't limit yourself to just Santorini. Embrace the opportunity to explore multiple islands. Local farms. Lastly, visit a local farm to see Santorini's unique agriculture. Olives, pistachios, and grapes are some of the island's notable crops. Glitzy Windmill. The iconic windmills of Santorini offer a perfect spot for sunset views. Though the area can get crowded, the picturesque setting is worth a visit. Sunrise and sunset. Sunrise and sunset are magical times in Santorini, with the island's natural beauty on full display. Whether you're a sunrise seeker or a sunset worshiper, Santorini's elevated spots provide the perfect backdrop for these moments. Resort relaxation. And finally, if you prefer a more relaxed pace, spending time at a resort is a wonderful option. Ensure your resort has the amenities you need, such as a pool, dining options, and convenient transportation. We hope this guide helps you make the most of your Santorini adventure. Thank you for joining us, and keep an eye out for more travel guides and tips right here on Travel Journey TV.